Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Wigging with Christy. Today I'm doing a different type of review. We're going to do a voiceover review of this new style, River by Rene of Paris in the color Chocolate Frost R. I purchased this with my own funds. This has a lace front, left monofilament part, and it is a beautiful style. Feels so much like home for me. I'm going to talk a little bit more about the density and permatease later on in this video. Now you'll see I kind of bring it down, brush it forward, and find that part that I want and then spritz it with water to help place those fibers. I do have a video, the last video of my channel, on how to part a wig and help it stay. So watch that video for more details. Now let's talk about the Chocolate Frost R color. It's a dark brown base with honey blonde and platinum highlights with dark brown roots. Again, check out the description for more details on this wig. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have your support over here, and I hope you enjoyed the rest of this video. Stay tuned. Let's go ahead and take a look further.
River is a winner, but I think for me it was getting the correct color that I would like, right? So I purchased this, like I said earlier, on my own, and I am absolutely 100% in love with this piece. I'm in love with the color on this piece. It is just, it marks all my boxes. And it looks just so natural. Reminds me a lot of just kind of my bio hair when I would cut it and highlight it. This is an excellent part from Rene of Paris. They've been getting better and better at their mono parts. Sometimes with Rene of Paris, I've had to pluck significantly in the past. My Linux, I would always have to pluck. And I've noticed that the last several pieces I've gotten from them, I haven't needed to pluck. Brooklyn, Vero, River, and I think it's part of this, like this Alexander Couture. I love Alexander, and he's just done this fantastic job of getting these to lay so natural. And I know Rene of Paris is working on that as well, and they've done such an incredible job. This piece is just low density. There is just a little permatease that I feel very, very, very tiny at the weft lines. I don't feel heavy permatease though. I think this piece, if you got in there and you kind of moved your hands around and awoken, you could a very little, but because of the density on this being like a light to medium density, it's not, I wouldn't call it a heavy permatease wig. So I would still call this light permatease, very, very minimal. And it's kind of needed just at the weft marks to kind of hide those wefts. There's no permatease at the nape. There's no permatease at the ear tabs. It does such an incredible ear tuck, like I showed in the spin and kind of when I was styling it. You can do so much with this piece. You can put it up, half up. You can put it all the way up. It's incredible. So I love this piece. That's just my personal opinion. I hope you love it too. Let me know your thoughts down below. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have your support over here. I'm also on Instagram, Wigging with Christy as well. And I'd love to connect with you. I post more reels over there to just give content and unboxings or quick looks at the wigs. So hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to shine bright, love others, and be kind. See you guys next time. Bye.